getting you some big breaking updates coming in right now. The Indian Army has made a significant breakthrough in its counter-terrorism efforts, busting a major terror hideout in Riasi's Mahor area. The operation was conducted by the 58 Rashtriya Rifles, resulted in the recovery of a substantial cache of arms and ammunition. The recoveries include AK-47 rifle, 2 pistols, 4 grenades, 5 magazines, and over 400 rounds of ammunition. And those are the pictures coming in for you. Major terror hideout busted. And on your screen, you can see all the recoveries which have been made. And let's go across to Gursimran joining us live on this. Gursimran, coming across to you right now. One more victory, one more win for the Indian Army and our forces. They have cracked down, they've recovered these materials. If you could take our viewers through the details and which terror group is suspected to have been associated with this encounter and this recovery.
See, if you speak of this recovery, this is a big consignment of weapons that has been recovered by the Indian Army's 58 Rashtriya Rifles in the Mahor area of the Riasi. This includes 1 AK series rifle, 2 pistol, along with the 4 grenades, 5 magazines, along with 500 ammunitions of the AK series rifle, as well as the pistol have been recovered from this area. This area, based on a specific intelligent input, falling under the police post of the Shajru area. The operation was launched in the Darsha Ki Gali and also the Lapri area yesterday afternoon. Based on this input, the operation was launched, and during the operation, the forces have made this recovery from the Lapri area from a rucksack bag inside which this entire cache of arms and ammunition was put on. Since this area has been the active for the Lashkar-e-Toiba, has been a traditional route of Lashkar-e-Toiba, so it is believed that this consignment could be linked with Lashkar-e-Toiba, though the investigations have been set in the motion. But this is a big success because Riasi is the same district where we have seen on 9th of June when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi was taking oath as the Prime Minister of country for the 3rd time. There was a deadly terror attack on the Shiv Khodi pilgrims in which 9 pilgrims lost their life while more than 40 others were injured in that deadly attack. So the terrorists were trying to activate this Riasi district as well, and now with this recovery of the huge consignment of arms and ammunition, it clearly hints that the terrorists were planning a major terror strike that has been averted by the 58 Rashtriya Rifles of the Indian Army in an operation that they carried out yesterday afternoon, which led to the recovery of significant amount of weapons that was kept there inside a rucksack bag, probably to be handed over to active terrorists and to carry out a bloodshed in Jammu and Kashmir. But that attempt of the Pakistani terrorists has been busted, and now this consignment has been recovered.
All right, thank you for joining us with all those details. I'll be coming back to you, Gursimran, because we keep a very close eye on this biggest win by the Indian Army and our forces. We'll move ahead right now because the atmosphere of tension has gripped the Parbhani city on Wednesday as the district administration imposed section 163 of the Indian Civil Security Code 2023. Now, this comes as a violence broke out in the district with protesters taking to streets, angered with vandalism of a constitution replica near Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar statue. Here is a full report. Take a look.
Stones pelted. Vehicles torched. Riots. Such was the scene in Maharashtra's Parbhani district. This after protesters claimed that the accused, identified as Sopan Dattarao Pawar, tore off a miniature copy of the constitution at the foot of the statue of Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Owing to the chaos, Section 163 and 144 of the BNSS has now been implemented in Parbhani.
हमने जो कलम 144 है और जो नया कलम 163 के हिसाब से जमाबंदी के आदेश पारित किए हैं और पुलिस प्रशासन पूरा रोड पे है। हम पूरे कार्रवाई पे कंट्रोल में स्थिति है। जहाँ तक है कि हमने एडिशनल पुलिस बंदोबस्त SRPF भी हमने मंगाया है। तो इसके ऊपर मैं सबके आपके माध्यम से सबको अपील करता हूँ कि आप शांतता सुव्यवस्था बनाए रखें।
With Parbhani plunging into chaos, internet has also been suspended. Listen in to some of the reactions.
परभनी में कल मतलब एक व्यक्ति ने मतलब बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर के स्टैचू के सामने जो ग्लास में संविधान का किताब था उस ग्लास को तोड़ा है और वहाँ संविधान का भी अपमान हुआ है, बाबा साहब के स्टैचू का भी बहुत बड़ा अपमान हुआ है। पुलिस ने फौरन उस आरोपी को अरेस्ट किया है लेकिन हमारी मांग ये है कि भाई उसको कठोर उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। उसके साथ साथ उनके पीछे किसका राज है, हमारी देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी की सरकार आने के बाद कोई लोग जानबूझकर वातावरण में बिगाड़ रहे हैं क्या, इसकी भी जांच करने की आवश्यकता है और इसीलिए इसकी पूरी जांच हो।
हिंसा भड़काना चाहते हैं, जिस तरह से मार्केटवाड़ी में, जिस तरह से मानगांव में, जिस तरह से कड़ाट के कोड़ी गांव में और धुलिया में जिस तरह से ऑटो की चोरी की गई है और आम जनता रास्ते पर आकर खड़ी है, उससे ध्यान भटकाना, अलग तरीके से हिंसा में झोंक देना राज्य को, ये भी एक षड्यंत्र इसमें हो सकता है, ऐसा हमें लगता है।
A huge police contingent was mobilized when the protests turned violent. The violence prompted the police to enforce a shutdown in the area for the day.